get home because I got an 8-hour drive. I'm tired. I ain't getting no sleep. It's been a long week. I'm tired. I'm just tired, man. I'm tired. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video, I'm doing like a little vlog for this weekend because I'm graduating. There's a whole bunch of like receptions going on, just doing all this type of stuff just to celebrate those who are graduating this year. So I'm at this reception now. This is basically just a reception for all student athletes, just recognizing those who are graduating, like I just said. But yeah, I'm here. I just pulled up. This is the fit. I don't look, you know, too cute. I look alright, but I don't look, you know, like popping or whatever, because it's really early. It's like, I don't know, this thing starts at 10, but I got here a little bit early, of course, because there's gonna be a lot of people here. But I'm here now. There's another one tonight for all African-American graduates, so I'm gonna go to that tonight. I'll show you what that looks like, and I'm just gonna keep you updated and keep you posted on like what all happens this weekend, because there's gonna be a lot of like ceremonies and festivities going on. So I just want to like show you guys and like take you along with me while I go through this whole graduation process. Like, yeah, so just keep watching and it's gonna be a good weekend, okay? So here's a little brochure, a little picture of my graduating class, all our student athletes. But where am I? Nowhere to be found. I was out of town this day, but there's me. Look at that. Who that? Who that? It's me. It's Brittany. You know, this feels nice. Hold on. This feels nice. Hold on. Can't take a picture with Jane. I guess not. Guys, high fives. Good job. Thank you. Congratulations. Thank you. Congratulations. Okay, you can put your little fun things there.
We did it, Brie.
We did it. We out.
Alright. I'm not out. I'm coming back, but I'm almost there. Wow. I feel like I done got 2 shades darker in a day.
Really?
It's okay.
Have you been outside?
Well, my rooftop been down every time I drive.
So where are we headed?
Going to the Kente. The dawn of the Kente ceremony.
Yes. Cap and gowns.
AKA
ready?
Black girl graduate.
Let me see your cap and gown.
Yeah.
Ready? Down.
Dab.
Yo, stop.
Stop.
No, really.
No, stop.
No, really. Okay. Fit.
Oh,
Fit.
wait a minute.
Oh,
Wait.
oh. Look. I got it so big, like the sun. There's hella traffic because literally everyone and their mom. Literally everyone.
Their mom, their dad, their grandmother, uncle, their brother, their
Auntie, sister, brother, step mama, step brother, step sister. All them is headed to the same direction. But yeah, we cute. Oh, wow.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Melanin popping, whatever. Even though her melanin is a little bit lighter than mine.
My melanin
is still popping.
Always.
Makeup popping over there.
Why?
Hair popping over there. Eyebrows on.
Please, mom.
Okay. You see it? The shoulders are out.
Shoulders
you
out.
See that? Shoulder
Yeah. Shoulder out.
Literally.
You feel me?
You feel me? You feel me? Got the whole her name on her neck.
You see it? You see Shekinah? You know that's me.
She said ice me out, and there it is. Really beautiful.
Bitch, ice me out.
The eyelashes are fluttering away. You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? You feel me? Highlight is literally on the nose.
Oh, I actually got some makeup. All right, there we go.
We posted up.
Okay, squad.
Oh, it's recording.
So we're here at the Kente ceremony.
We're hungry.
Very hungry.
We ain't here finna get her eyebrows on fleek. Hold on again.
But yeah, there's
How
a
does your eyebrow arch like that?
like this. I can do it with both eyes, but like it's hard to do the other one. This one's just more natural. Yeah, I can't do the other one. I'm like
whole lot again.
Yeah, we hungry, but this line is excessive.
She
so
said that line is too long. Why should be out here, y'all? I'm serious. I'm not doing
snagged us some Chex Mix, and we're just waiting for this thing to start. Yeah,
We're not sitting together during the ceremony because we definitely don't have the same last names. But
Sorry.
Definitely.
Yeah,
Okay.
we're all buyers.
We'll meet up together. I'm gonna be acting real ratchet. They can be like Jocelyn, really good.
You mean Monet Jones?
Oh, this is your vlog? Oh, my bad.
All right.
You see this?
3 hours later.
Do you see this?
I'm joking.
They do. You see this? Do you see this?
Yeah, I have a
Content. Black excellence. Okay?
Black excellence.
Period.
What is it? What does the symbol stand for? Do we remember?
It stands for. I don't remember.
They're links, so unity, right?
Right, unity.
Fighting through adversity.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I was
I
going to
remember
say.
that because we all had to fall through a lot of
Adversity.
Okay?
As
My
student
God.
athletes,
My God.
a lot
We made it,
of
guys.
adversity.
We made it. We're here.
We're
3
here.
hours later in that ceremony, we can't take black people nowhere because we always trying to drag things out. But
Started,
we made it.
didn't start on
That's
time,
funny.
didn't end on time,
Didn't end
but
on time,
we're
but
here now.
Well, you know, it's good because it was raining, so
You're right.
we didn't have to walk through the
You're
rain.
right. You're right. My
But
cap,
you know, when black people get together, they always trying to tell stories.
cap trying to fall
So
off.
it's fun.
Guess what day it is?
We graduating. We graduating.
Hey, so we
Wow.
walk into the line now. It is around like almost 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Graduation starts at 10.
Yeah.
They telling people, you know, we closing doors at 9:15. So you better get here. Be ready or, you know, you ain't coming in. Yeah, it's a really nice day.
Very nice day.
Very nice day. I didn't keep you posted yesterday, but yesterday was a very eventful day, to say the least. But yeah, we here now, and that's all that matters. Fambo's on the way.
All that matters.
Oh my goodness, let me show you guys what this looks like. This is
Beautiful.
This is beautiful.
Okay, can we do a good old song? Can we do the good old song? Okay, class of 21.
like I said, once again, we're about to do the Lego challenge for the whole graduating class.
Come on!
In front of the whole entire crowd, in front of the whole entire graduating crowd. Period.
That's just what we do.
Beyonce, she gonna retweet us, at us. We gonna be famous. We just performed her dance.
Period.
Coachella.
Beyonce sees it and she's like, oh, they're gonna be in my next video, and then voila.
We gonna be in the next, all of us. We're gonna be in the next video.
Just like that.
Just like that. So just letting you know now, my name's Shekinah.
My name's Monet. I'm Shasa.
So we about to be famous and
pay me.
Period. Secure the bag. Hey everybody. I just graduated from my university. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling happy. Got to see my family. I haven't seen them in a minute, so that was kind of cool to see them there. But yeah, today's been really long, stressful in the beginning, but everything turned out well. Me and my friends are about to go out. Excuse the stuff in the my back seat. I'm getting ready to be out this bitch. So all my stuff's in my car. I'm like probably I'm gonna leave in the morning. But like I said, me and my friends are about to go to this little shindig or whatever. So yeah, that's the little recap of tonight. And someone's definitely watching me right now while I'm recording this video. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted, okay? Oh,
We're out of here. Okay. We got all those degrees.
Hey guys, so I'm tired, I'm exhausted, all of the above. I just felt like yesterday I was baking in the sun from like 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock. Like there were ceremonies and stuff literally all day, and we were literally sitting outside in the heat baking all day. And then of course after graduation there was like things to do on grounds and on campus, stuff like that. So your girl's just tired. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm tired. But I'm happy. I'm officially a college graduate student. Go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back because you deserve it. But my car is really junky right now because I'm about to go home. I just packed up my locker, my house, everything's gone. Like my car is packed to capacity, and it's, I mean, not obviously, like it's a lot of stuff. I have a lot of stuff. But yeah, but just graduated. I just want to show you guys my campus. I haven't showed like grounds or anything like that. So I thought it'd be a good idea to just show you guys what my school looks like before I go. One last little show before I hit the road. I'm so sad.